is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead and welcome to Fabric Friday. It's a bit different layout again because I ordered something the other day and it's come today. I have opened the box up to look at the instruction manual, but that's it. So it is a complete unboxing. I've had to move things around. Whether it'll stay like this or not, I don't know. But it's rather heavy and large, so I'll get Lurch to help me get it out. Help me get it out of the box. This is the box. As you can see, it is quite big. And although it's not fragile, it doesn't do any good if it's dropped. It's now out of the box. And that was the foot pedal dropping. And reveal time. Yay! That is a double the size throat plate that I'm used to. So I'm going to try it when I've got my table sorted out. Then I'll show you. We've put it together and I've had a little play. And we'll do it from that side first of all. This is just on a straight stitch. I put white in the bobbin and green in the top thread so that I could make sure the tension is fine. It's easier to do with two different colours. Got my needle up or needle down. I think that was its fastest. There's a knee lifter on this, so I could do one-handed sewing. There is no thread cutter. Needle up. Apart from the one on the side of the machine, but it's giving a lovely stitch and I feel like my hands could have a dance here now. There's that much room. I think I might just make a sewing machine cover because mine are big enough for this. I think I'll make a sewing machine cover. This is the machine. Looks very plain because there's nothing really on here because it isn't a computerized one. It will do more than just straight stitch. There are about 28 stitches on it, but if I wanted more fancy stitches computerized than that, I've still got my simplicity. This is gonna be a godsend to me when I'm doing quilting. In fact, I might even do some more on that one. My carpenter's wheel. But it's just needle positions, and here is where you put your thread and your tension disc is, your tension dial is there. Threading, fairly simple, like a normal sewing machine, because it is a normal sewing machine. I haven't yet wound a bobbin. I'm using the one that's in, but it looks very easy to do. You've got your stitch width and your stitch length, reverse stitch, tuck down on the side is for if you want to do it by hand anytime. The bottom wheel is to change your stitch, so if you wanted to do a zigzag stitch, then you turn it to number 2, because up here it tells you the stitches that you can do. Zigzag, blind hem, different things. So it's going to be just a matter of getting used to it. So I think my first thing to help me get used to it is make a cover for it. But yes, here's the knee lifter that I showed you I'm using. Drop the needle. It isn't at its full speed, and it hasn't got speed selector button, but it's easy to use. It's noisier than the others I've got. But it can do 1,000 stitches a minute. And it's the biggest, most expensive machine I've ever had. But that's it. I've reached my limit now. I'm on 5 sewing machines. But I think this one is going to be used the most because of quilting, and even stitching things together. It will be used the most, which means I will get my money's worth. Oh, you've got 2 compartments for putting your bits and bobs in. And I was thinking of possibly building some sort of quilting table, but this is my Wilcox and Gibbs sewing machine, and I've put it on a slight bit of a wheeled base, and it's brought it up to the height of the sewing machine, so it's going to take the weight of a quilt. I've got all this at the side still, and all this on this side as well. So I'm quite chuffed with it at the moment. It's got a needle threader, which is a bit awkward at the moment, but it's one of those things. Right. Bye. Turn it off.